Hello and welcome to Beautiful Mind IAS. I am Arun Kumar. If you have psychology optional, then I am going to discuss some strategy for you that will be very helpful. The first thing is that how much time is required to prepare this optional and what strategy should be followed to minimize this time. So as a form of FAQ I will discuss. So first FAQ has been frequently asked question from the student is that student asks that, sir, can I prepare this psychology optional without taking any coaching through self-study? This is the first question. So question number I am writing here, questions 1, that preparation one is through self-study. See, focus on this thing. It's plain answer. If this is the absolute question, can psychology be prepared through self-study? Answer is yes, it can. It could be. Double tick I have used. Then why most individuals, if you look at my website, you will find that rank 10 is there, 11 is there, 12 is there, 16 is there. Anuj Malik, Megha Rupam rank 10, Ananya Agarwal 27th rank. Many is why they have taken coaching? They are intelligent individuals, somewhere from St. Stephen's, somewhere from other prestigious colleges. Why they have taken coaching? Question is this. So first of all, you can study and you can prepare, but it's some negative aspect is this one. Positive aspect is also there, and positive aspect is that itself it is a self-pace, means you can prepare with your own pace. Nobody is going to tell that what should be the speed of that pin. Then it involves, it saves money. All these things are positive things. It is not, it saves your money. So this is the thing. But negative aspect is this one, that time. How much time we will require here? So time if you say self-study method, then time will be more. So this will be the cost. Why time is more? Because suppose you are preparing something and you are trying to perform on the answer also, and for that matter you give examination at the end. So you learn from one method is called trial and error method. Means आप अपनी गलतियों से सीखते हैं. You learn from your own mistakes. So nobody is helping you. So this could take too much time, and generally it takes. Suppose you clear in 2 attempt, 3 attempt, 4th attempt, 5th attempt, like that. So if the same time suppose you get selected in 1 or 2 go with the help of some coach, mentor, then what happen? You will get salary also, your seniority will also improve. So these are the factor, you can say, that people prefer that some personal mentor. Why I am writing that personal mentor? If personal mentor is there, then what are the advantage? I can tell you this thing. Self study से हो सकता है, but personal mentor will, here trial and error से वो नहीं सिखाता. Suppose you are going to take an example of Mount Everest expedition पे आप हैं, then what we will do? You can go of your own, and probability is there that you can reach also. But हमें शेरपा वगैरह की ज़रूरत क्यों होती है? Why we need coach who has traveled with on that path again and again? Because he knows this thing, that what is the true method, what is the right method, where one can commit mistakes So the personal mentor, with the help of your, suppose you have personal mentor, then teacher, guide, coach, whatever, then he will, with his experienced, see this thing, experienced and MKO. What is MKO? More knowledgeable other. Okay, so through experience he will not say, he will prevent you from committing mistakes. जैसे आप कहते हो कि many a strategy people makes that after prelims examination I will prepare optional very intensively. Nowadays, see this thing, how much time you will get after prelims examination, and see the arousal level. You have GS, you have essay, you have ethics, so many things to prepare. Can you prepare psychology? And that will be, arousal will be very high. So learning, that is a phase of revision, not actual learning. So your mentor would say, no, prepare basically before prelims. Revision you can do after that. Practice you can do after that. That you can do. So see this, I am giving you one example. So if your mentor is knowledgeable and experienced, like I have given the example of Mount Everest. Mount Everest is your competition and cutthroat competition is here. So one mistake you cannot tolerate. Time you cannot tolerate. This is also assets. So this side you are saving money, but this side is the cost that you are wasting. Time. And if you do, if you commit this kind of things, then probability of getting success will be very low. So probability of success means will also go up. Getting these are the things, but let me make it very clear. When I say personal mentoring, it doesn't mean that necessarily me, Arun Kumar, Beautiful Mind IAS. It could be anyone. Suppose you are in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry. I was having Mithali Sethi from Puducherry in online class. She joined online intensive advanced test series. I was guiding from Delhi, but suppose one is over there and he got or she got some mentor over there, competent mentor, then what happened? He can. So anyone who is MKO means more knowledgeable other and having experience. See, I have experience of more than 25 years. So I know this thing that what kind of mistakes generally a student commit, and I try to help them, prevent them. They're there. So this is very important things to note. So I hope I made this point clear. Come forward. Now, suppose you want to make a strategy, suitable strategy. Then what should be the strategy for you? Here I am adding. See, I am talking about that under the personal mentorship. If you have some mentor, suppose you join me, personal mentor. You have personal mentor, getting? And for that I am guiding you. For self-study I have made already a video. You can watch that thing. There I have given all the sources, steps, everything I have suggested. That is older one. Then go and watch that. I have in half an hour I discussed every steps that how you can prepare psychology of your own without taking any coaching. But here I am giving you that if you want to prepare psychology in less time, so time is issue for you. Suppose you want to clear as soon as possible, for some reason you don't have age or something, then you don't hesitate to take help of coach who is knowledgeable and all. And second, suppose you do not have knowledge and any suppose any time is not there and you do not afford to you want to maximize your failure also, then also you can say maximize don't say maximize failure, maximize success, probability of success, then you go for it. I am giving you this one. But anyway, everybody will try to do this thing. But what will be the strategy? If you go for I am taking an example of my guidance program, then see this thing that here is the in psychology paper 1 there are 14 units, and in paper 2 there are 14 units. Getting? This is for theory, and this is for largely application, that's called applied. Okay, so one by one I am telling you that if you ask me the time, so generally it takes, on an average 3 classes in a one topic. Classes will be of 2 hours and 2.5 hours, like that. Then 14 3s are 42, and generally this will take less time. Once you develop mastery over this thing, then it will take 14 3s are 28. So if you add these two, so around in about 70 class, you will be able to tame the syllabus. Syllabus means UPSC Civil Service Examination syllabus for psychology optional. I hope you have understood this thing. Okay, so this thing you will be learning. You will learn all the things. But what about, suppose you are learning driving. What do you do? How to change gear, how to apply brake, how to do steer, everything you got this. But second thing is that practice. Practice on what? Obviously answer writing. This is very important thing. Getting? Answer writing. So more practice you do, more skilled you become, more control you will have. Reaction time will be very less. Suppose one question is asked, and in the beginning, in 10 marks question, you may take half an hour to answer in the beginning. But how much time will get in exam? 10 minutes around. 12 minutes, 10 minutes. So within 15 minutes, how to answer that questions? You need to think, you need to, with practice, you will be able to do this thing. So for basic learning and understanding all the foundations, 70 days are enough. This was 70 days. And this is for coaching, I can say. Under personal mentoring, I remember this thing. It is a general coaching, it may take 6 months or 7 months. Okay. I'm talking about rigorous coaching, not joking and all these things. Suppose I am taking class in 2 hours, I am investing half hour or 45 minutes in discussing something else. Then you can understand that how much time it will take. Suppose you are totally focused on this discussion, then definitely it will take around this one. 70 means 3.5 months, 2.5 months. 60 days. 60 days are there, but all the days you will not, 7 days you cannot study, So 5 days in a week. So you can say 5 4s are 20. 20 days in month you will study. So 20, 3 months, and then so around 4 months it will take. Around 4 months. And then you practice how much? Keep doing till you write your mains examination. With different pace, sometime very high pace, sometime low pace, sometime high pace, like that. Practice every day. One questions, formula I will tell you, that is work very well. One question you try to following this and get it evaluated time to time. If you have difficulty, ask your mentor that what is my meaning. Doubts should be clear. Then this strategy will work. Getting? You can prepare psychology within 4 months. Understood? When you are preparing psychology, what is your takeaway? Question is this thing. What things you get from the can say guidance? See, out of this classes, my personal guidance, I can say personal guidance. You get class, you get test, you get material. Okay, and then this test include P by Q also. Okay, I am talking about my system. And then you come to know that how to take, your takeaway is that note making tech skills you will develop. Many individual would write everything that is given in Baron, everything in given in what, that is not note making. Note making is skills you develop here, what you should note and what you should not. Second thing, that research. You know this thing that a theory is valid, getting under the light of research. Research provide validation of theory. For example, research will help you to understand something in have common sense, when common sense theory in mind also. Let me give you one example. Suppose you are authority at highway, and you are trying to understand this thing, that as far as alcohol is concerned and sleep deprivation is concerned, what could be the more fatal things? Suppose you are one driver has taken alcohol and driving, it should not, but suppose, and then one driver is deprived of 2 days of sleep. Generally it happens with the driver who carry perishable things to the destination, so they are in hurry to reach the destination because things they are carrying in the truck are perishable, so they suffer from sleep deprivation. What do you think? Alcohol is more fatal for it create proneness for accident, or sleep deprivation? Which one is more fatal? From common sense you can say alcohol is very dangerous thing, but research indicate that sleep deprivation, 2 days sleep deprivation, 3 days sleep deprivation, it is much more fatal. It is not to say that it is safe. I am telling, in comparison this is more fatal, because sleep, micro sleeps come, spindle type things. Suppose you are driving and you are awake, then automatically your eye will be shut for microsecond or second, you will not notice, and in that period accident would take place. You are getting? So see this thing, from where I am telling you all these things. Suppose I write this answer, this is the question related to road safety and all this, and I have written without giving any research reference, and second thing, I am giving research reference and research findings shows this thing. Which one will be, because this research has been conducted in US also and in European Union also, this has been validated. So which one is more appealing? Research supported, no? So here you get, with the help of your mentor, a list of the researcher for every chapters and all. So this empowers you to put the things in practice. And moreover, when suppose you are reading of your own, you will get bored, sometimes demotivated. When you are being taught, and like I am discussing, then your motivation will be high. Sometimes you may feel that I should not, but because discipline will be there. See, you will see, even if you don't like, but sometimes suppose schedule is there for class, then automatically you will follow that one. So within time frame you will be able to finish syllabus. Getting? So in class you are getting all this skill you will develop, come to this point. And most important thing is that application part. I mean, research is that where how to apply, how to answer writing skills. So not only knowledge, but your answer writing skills is also developed. When you are writing and your teacher is evaluating your answer, then this one. So you need someone who is more knowledgeable and who more experienced, so that teacher can evaluate and let you know what kind of flaws you are making in your answers. So this is the basic thing, the things I have suggested. This is the basic thing is there, but these things you develop out of learning with your mentor. Now what happens? What are the benefit of all these things? I have experience of more than 25 years. I can tell you that when you are learning the class, you are involved, you are engaged, and you take interest, you are more disciplined, and step by step are there things, you are focused, you are writing answers, you are discussing, debating everything, and then by the end of the, you can say 70 days class or something, it depends upon, so if group is, suppose generally I make a group of 25, then if group is very intelligent, then it may take less time, and average then maybe 70 or more sometime. So but this is the cursor here, you can say 70 around. So this is the benefit of taking personal mentorship. And now here I have a message that again I am repeating, any mentor, but if you want guidance from Beautiful Mind IAS, go on our website beautifulmind.in, and you will get that when the new batch is upcoming, and you join that. Suppose you want to give exam in 26, when you should take coaching? Sooner is better. This is the formula, because learning is a gradual process. But in 25 also you can manage, but sooner is better. अगर आपको कोचिंग लेना है ऑप्शनल की, then this should be the thing. Many students think that after prelims हो नहीं रहा है, once I clear the prelims then I will think of that. That strategy will not work. Believe in yourself, and somehow if you clear prelims, then many students I have seen here this year also, sir, I cleared prelims, but they will not be able to, I am sorry to say, not will be able to clear this mains examination because of the competition. Others are prepared. So you should adopt a suitable strategy. So I am going to close this discussion. Let me tell you this like this. See, these don't, I am telling you, after prelims, suppose you get success in prelims, then you can largely do practice and revision. You can do practice and revision, I am saying, but you cannot take coaching and prepare all your optional. Repair work you can do. You can repair, but you cannot do new coach things. So you always make a strategy that before prelims. Before, but yes, there is, nowadays it takes time to prepare, for prelims examination also. So after February you will be engaged for March, April, May, at least you will take. So after January also you will be feeling pressure. So this will be that try to cover all these things, January up to February, maximum February is okay. Don't go in that way. Don't compromise your prelims preparations like that. And I have given you idea that once what books to follow, what should be the timing, what should be the a strategy or other strategy as well. If you join our class, I will be guiding for everything. It is a personal mentorship program. It is going to start from 15th of October. You can check on our website, and if it is suitable for you, and if you are looking for some personal mentor, you can join us. Thank you very much.